Hey, this is me, Mr. Rage Right with Smile More Solutions, and I just want to make sure everybody understands the difference between Google pay-per-click and Facebook and Instagram social ads. There's two main uses for these, and they can be used in combination with great effect. Sometimes you only need one of them, sometimes you only need the other one. And here's the key difference. Google pay-per-click uses keywords. So that means the person that's looking for something is interested in something already. So by utilizing keywords, if you're looking for an insurance lawyer, you type in insurance lawyer and it brings up other insurance lawyers to the top of Google. Awesome, right? So you have people with high intent clicking on your ads. But sometimes you want to put yourself in front of some of the people that are possibly interested in what you're doing, you're selling, you're servicing, right? So that's where social ads come into play. So social, you can kind of use targeting based off interest, based off demographics, based on location, based off movements, and you can send ads to people who may be interested. So the difference, Google pay-per-click, you have yourself waving your hand when someone's looking for you. While in social ads, you're guessing and thinking about who may be interested in your stuff, and then you're putting yourself in front of them. I hope you understand. Follow, like, share, however you want to do it, and follow me for a lot more awesome content super soon. Take care.